Today I'm going to answer the question, why does my back pain continue to get worse? Even though maybe I've done some therapy, I've taken some medicine, or I've used some ice on it. Hey, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center. I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health so they can lead amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years without drugs and surgery. If you or someone you know has been having this problem, please make sure to pass this video along to them so that they can get the answers that they need. Now, on to the question. So, why has that back pain continued? Even though you've tried to do things like physical therapy, maybe even chiropractic, massage therapy, medications, rubs, lotions, CBD oil. Well, here's the thing. In most cases, lower back pain is due to a mechanical distortion that winds up impacting how the structures are aligned. So if we wind up looking at the spine, particularly the lower back, it should go straight up and down from the front. But from the side, we should have a curve, and most of it should be at the bottom, and a little should be at the top. Now, this isn't a curve that we see on the skin. This is a curve on the inside of the spine. And what happens is that each time we have an episode of lower back pain, that curve flattens out. Now, as it flattens out, it leaves the spine more susceptible to breakdown, damage, fatigue, and becoming more unstable. Each of those episodes build on each other and can wind up causing the spine to become so flat from the side that it starts to collapse from the front. This is why for people this becomes more and more painful and harder to treat over time. Finding someone who can wind up truly assessing this, understanding the shifts and turns, correcting it and restoring it back to normal is really key and essential. Now, the provider or person who does this is a corrective chiropractor. So if you've tried others before, you've got to search out a corrective chiropractor. Now, if you're curious as to where to find one, go ahead and write down below. Me and my team will do our best to wind up finding the best one for you. If you're not sure if that's what's going on, you can write some questions down below and we'll do our best to answer them. Once again, if you like topics like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button where we're constantly looking to share content and information like this to help you live a life of optimal health and well-being. Speak with you soon.